How to allow photo gallery access to apps on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with how to need delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Apps and Notifications. After you have clicked on Apps and Notifications, simply select the app you want to allow access photo gallery of. After you have selected the app, in here, click on Permissions, which is the second option. After you've selected Permissions, in here you'll find Files and Media. Click on Files and Media. Then make sure it's Allow Access to Media only. After you've done that, you will be allowed access. You can do same with other apps. Click on Apps, go to Permissions, and allow access to Files and Media. And this is how to allow photo gallery access to apps on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.